Welcome back, nature lovers. Today I am taking you to a breathtaking village near one of my former work sites, a place that holds special memories and showcases nature at its finest. Look at this magnificent river before us. The water rushes with such power and clarity, creating this beautiful turbulent dance. Notice how the crystal clear water takes on that stunning bluish color as it deepens. And watch as the fast flowing water current generates these pristine white foam caps. Now I want to show you something truly special. Let's trace this mighty river back to its origin. We are going to follow the feeders that give birth to this natural wonder. Guys, we are entering nature's own cathedral. The forest reveals its treasures to us. And look, there's one of the
Wow.
forest's most magnificent residents. Hornbill. These incredible birds are just one of the countless species that call this forest
Beautiful.
home.
See. So beautiful. We're lucky to have this today. Yeah.
This is the beauty of nature's design. Countless tributaries and waterfalls like this one come together to create that powerful river we saw below. Each stream, each waterfall plays its part in this grand symphony of flowing water. And here we have something equally beautiful, traditional terrace cultivation. The paddy fields represent generations of sustainable farming. What makes this even more special is that rice here grows completely naturally without any chemical fertilizer. This is agriculture in harmony with nature, just as it should be. Take a moment to observe this view. The valley spreading below us like a living painting. The way the landscape unfolds is simply breathtaking. Guys, notice how the water seems to fall in slow motion here. It's not me, it's not my even my camera. This is nature's own slow motion show. As the water cascades down, it meets the rising air currents, creating this dreamlike, almost weightless descent. Look at this magical sight. The water falling from such tremendous height disperses into the atmosphere, creating these ethereal wisps that look exactly like that white cotton floating through the air. It's nature's own art installation. Feel the gentle breeze. Watch how it kisses every leaf, every branch, setting the entire forest into a gentle rhythmic dance. It's as if the whole landscape is breathing with life. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey through one of nature's most precious hidden gems. I hope this little adventure has brought you back into nature's embrace through my lens, giving you a moment of peace and wonder in your day. There are so many more incredible places waiting to be discovered, and I'd love to have you along for the next adventure. Until then, keep that connection with the natural world alive. See you on the next journey.